Sticky shit. I swear to God! I swear to God! Whose catara is that? What the fuck is a catara?
Get the hell out, I need to do my homework.
Hannah! Are you serious? Are you kidding me, fam? Damn it to hell, man. This is not funny. Damn it, birdies.
I hope you know I'm recording this.
Keep going. A little more.
Go up on her lawn.
I will rip up her lawn, man.
You'll never have her as a teacher again.
Damn it! Oh, it's not funny. Yeah, it is. You